Mommy, see I just dey smile for polygamy. Wetin dey do me? See as Regina Daniels bring out the fun for this family. I know say you wey dey watch am, you just dey shine your teeth. This Regina Daniels really putting work towards this family of a thing, or this polygamy of a thing. See as I just dey smile, my country people. No be small thing, no. That's why I say, mommy, come and see. See as your daughter dey smile. Omo, maybe because say I be lover of good. Hey, see as the two of them just dey dance. Hey God. Hey. Omo, this thing triggers a lot of reactions, and some people still no support polygamy. Make people no believe say polygamy na good thing. See reactions now from different people. A lot they support Regina. A lot even they talk say no be you Nigerians. They point fingers then at Regina, say why young girl go marry an old man like Regina's husband? All of una don't turn now, they begin they do. It's safe to say that Regina really made the right decisions for herself and her sons. Yes, after all, as it seems now, is do you over what others will think. Hello, exactly. Do what will benefit you and your future families over waiting anybody go talk, cause last everybody go adjust. See Regina now, everybody don't adjust. Everybody don't kukuma turn to her favorite. Yes, Regina can never post any picture now with her and her family members. I will see any negative comment. Unlike then, no. Everybody now won't become Mrs. Senator. Everybody now won't become Oga's wife. Hello. I'm so happy for her. Regina of the Most High, God bless your union. God continue to bless your union. You will continue to be the light in this family. Nothing will ever dim your light. As you bring out the fun in this family, now so your life will continue to prosper. Because it no dey easy. Yes, polygamy is not easy, truth be told. But once you are favored in the family that accepted you for who you are and are ready to embrace you, believe me, love and light will always come in that family. Because according to her, large family is fun. Once it's large, the fun will be there. Hello. My people no long talk at all. As I see the video now, I just dey smile my 32. I say let me bring it to the headquarters so my people go shine their own. Cause as an amiable head girl where I be, na anything we go favor my people, we go make them smile, we go make their day smooth. Now they bring come for my page. So no dull moment at all. Keep on sharing my video, share to your friends, your families, so that all of them will come. The larger the family, the more fun it is. This is our new logo now, so keep it safe in your mind. Keep on sharing my videos. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more banging news with the tutorial body. Una know as you dey do one for my page. No dull moment at all. As then they cook am, na so I dey carry con give una. It's still your one and only amiable girl, Cindy. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Cindy Gist TV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. See, they give me one kind of encouragement to continue. Stay safe out there. See you guys on my next episode. Bye now. Bye.